I don't know if you've heard of the project Tesla Android. It's sort of an open source Android operating system that gets kind of, I guess, a virtual window displayed via web server from a Raspberry Pi that you connect to with your Tesla or any other browser, I suppose. It could work on another vehicle maybe, but it's called Tesla Android. So I just wanted to show how I set mine up. So I got a Raspberry Pi 4, hooked it up inside this center console, which I don't think exists on the newer X's. Definitely doesn't exist on the Cybertruck, so you'd have to get creative with where you put that. But basically it's connected via USB power to the car, run the wires down in there, and in order to get internet for it, there's better ways. They talk about on the forums using like a LTE dongle that connects via the USB port, but I couldn't find the ones they mentioned, so I just picked up a whole actual hotspot. I just threw my T-Mobile SIM card in there from one of my phones that I don't actually use. Got a free line from T-Mobile. Now it's being put to use. Basically connect that via Ethernet cable to the Pi, and once you have the operating system loaded up, you open up your browser on the Tesla and go to device.teslaandroid.com, and it brings you to literally Android, which is running on the Raspberry Pi. What's cool about it is you can access any of your Android apps, including stuff like YouTube. I'm not going to play a lot of this because copyright stuff, but you can see it goes. It's not like the best for video streaming, but it can actually stream and show you that choppy video while you're driving. I'll just throw it in Drive real quick so you can see I'm in Drive. I play.
Top secret stuff.
It still plays.
Maybe we'll get to that another day.
Not super great to watch during driving, but there's that. It also uses the GPS from the browser, so when you first get to it, it asks you, the typical, this website wants to use your location information. Are you cool with that? You hit yes, and then you can use third-party navigation. So like Waze, for example. Also a little choppy, but, it is what it is. I am curious to know if the newer vehicles have a little bit less choppy. I think the choppy, has to do with the way that that's being rendered, because I want to say that they're using like sort of a literal pictures being sent over. I don't know for sure, just theorizing, but that's Tesla Android. If you connect it to your vehicle via Bluetooth, you can also control music from it. This is random non-copyright music that I just kind of pulled up, but it can even do multitasking, split screens. And my primary reason for getting it is actually running Lyft and Uber on this screen instead of using my cell phone. It works pretty well for Lyft. There are some quirks with it. Lyft doesn't actually show you the map, which is why I got Waze, because Lyft will send the information to Waze of where you need to go to pick somebody up, and then you can navigate that way. Overarching question, has anybody with the Cybertruck tried this yet? If not, jump on it. All right, thanks for watching.